this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to do a quick yarn haul video and a few updates for my channel. I've had some yarn boxes that I just showed in the beginning here sitting on my floor for a couple weeks now, and I want to open them up, and so I thought I would do a quick haul with that. But first things first, I was just working on this pattern today for a new hat. I thought with Valentine's Day coming up, cute little heart on the hat would be good. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to put a faux fur ball on the top or not. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe you could leave comment below. Pub or no pub. It kind of just looked like it fits snug, like a beanie, like a snug beanie. So I'm not sure if it needs the ball or not. But anyway, this pattern will hopefully be up tomorrow on my channel or in 2 days. So that's that. I also am going to be doing a plushy snake pattern, hopefully this week. And I'll put a picture up here. I made one last year. I couldn't really find a pattern that worked for me, so I just wrote up my own last year, and I never got around to actually writing the pattern or making a video for it. So I will be doing that this week as well. So you can look forward to those if you'd like to make either of those. But other than that, I'm going to start with this yarn haul. So I had seen that Taylor Swift had this beanie on at the Chiefs game, and everybody was asking about it, and I saw some people were making and selling it, so I made up my own pattern, which you can find here on my channel. And I also have a written pattern for it, which is in the link in the video description for that. And I've been selling them a lot, so I quickly ordered more yarn, and I didn't know how quick I was going to get it from Joann, so I placed a one-day Walmart order for yarn, which is, I ended up getting this Mainstays acrylic yarn, because I needed a lot of white yarn. I got like 16 orders for the hat quickly, and I did not have enough yarn to sustain all of that, so I ordered a quick Walmart, like where they drop off, the same day. And so I got a bunch of these. This is already open because I've used most of it already. And in the meantime, I had ordered a bunch from Joann, but that took like a week to come, so I had to use the Walmart yarn. This is pretty good yarn. I think it was only like $2.40 for these, and there's almost 400 yards in it. So if you need yarn for hats or anything amigurumi, something like that, this Mainstays acrylic from Walmart is pretty good. Now, it's not like as nice as like a Hobby Lobby I Love This yarn. It's a little bit thinner than that, even though they're both a size 4, but it worked great for the hats. So I would have no problem using it again. It's actually really reminiscent of the Big Twist from Joann, which I used for a lot of the hats as well. And then I also got this, obviously I've used a lot of it. I got this Mainstays Anti-Pill acrylic, and this has 240 yards. It's also a size 4, but it's a lot nicer in my opinion. And I think this was $2 and something too. So if you can get the Anti-Pill acrylic, I've used this on plenty of hats in the past, and it's so nice and so fluffy. You can definitely feel the difference between these two, but they're both great prices. So if you need yarn, Walmart is not a bad place to get some. So other than that, I got from Joann, I just like opened these with scissors, but I haven't opened yet. So while I was ordering the white yarn for the Taylor hats from Joann, they had this Big Twist plush on sale, and I used this for a lot of my plushies, and I make a lot of hearts, especially during Valentine's Day, like heart plushies. I'll put a picture up here, but I do have a video for that too, for 9-inch, 11-inch, and I can't remember what the other size is, 12-inch maybe? And those videos have been watched quite often, especially recently, I think, with Valentine's Day coming up. But they make really great heart pillows. This is really, the quality is really close to Bernat blanket. This is maybe a little bit different, I can't even say thinner, really. I mean, you could feel a little bit of a difference if you use it all the time. But somebody that doesn't know anything about crochet, they would not notice a difference. And it's like sometimes half the price of Bernat blanket or Bernat baby blanket. So I definitely recommend the Big Twist plush. And then I got one of these cream ones, the Big Twist Value. I just needed a cream yard, so I bought that. Let's see what else is in here. Oh gosh, yeah, I got, hold on a second. I had to pull it out of the, I don't know the best way to do this. This is such a small table to work on, but hopefully you can see everything. So I also got the Big Twist plush in a few other colors. I got 3 red for the hearts, and there's another red. And then I got 3 purple, or this lavender, and this is 153 yards. It's 10.5 ounces. This is the same size ball as the Bernat blanket yarn. And like I said, I think these were like, gosh, I think these were like $5. A Bernat blanket, if you don't get it on sale, is like 12, something like that. So it's a nice alternative, especially for the big plushies. So I got 3 of those. And I think with these, I was going to make, everybody's into like the Stanley Cup now, those Stanley Cups, that are kind of like a Yeti. And I was going to write up a pattern for it, but I did see somebody has a pattern that's been going viral. So I thought, well, maybe I'll just sit this one out and make a few of these and sell them in my Etsy shop. So I got some purple for that. I got a couple other colors. Okay, next from Joann, I got these Ogo yarns. I've used these before, and these were on sale as well. These are the Bernat blanket. It's Ogo. It's just 3 colors, together. And these were on sale for like $4 or something. So I couldn't pass that up because it's the same 10.5 ounces. As like one of the balls that I just showed you of the Big Twist, or like a regular Bernat blanket ball. And like I said, those are like $12, and these were on sale for like 4 something. So I got 2 of these, and this is what I made that snake with, that I'm going to do the pattern for. So I don't know if I'll make another one of this color or use these for plushies or blanket or what, but it's always good to have them on hand if I, want to make something. And I also got them, I got a couple in these blue color too. Maybe I'll make the snake with the blue since I've already done a black and white gray one. So I got those. And then I got all this Big Twist white yarn for the tailor hats. And now I'm not really actually I got a sale for one today, but I don't know how many more I'll sell. We'll have to see, because now the Chiefs made it to the Super Bowl yesterday, so maybe more orders will come in. But regardless, here's a 5th one. I use this yarn, the Big Twist yarn, quite a bit, and I can always use white. So that's what I originally ordered this for, but then I was thinking, gosh, this isn't going to get here fast enough. So that's when I ordered the Walmart yarn. And then I have these 2. This is also the Big Twist plush, and this is Orchid, the color. So I thought I could do a Stanley Cup with one of these. And then also this one, which is, color is this? Dusty Rose. So when I have time, I will probably do those in these 2 colors in the lavender. So that's about it here. I do have so many ideas. It's just like, making them and making the pattern and writing it up and testing it, and then making a video and editing in the written part onto the screen, and all of that just takes time. But I will have that hat ready this week, and hopefully the snake ready this week as well. And then I also have these. I have a video for this up already, but these are wine totes, and I had a bunch of people asking me for, the video didn't really take off, but I've had a bunch of people asking me for the written pattern. So it is out to testers right now, and I will have the written pattern probably in a week and a half. It's already finished. I'm just waiting on my testers to finish up. And I'll show you a couple pictures up here of the ones that I had made last year. and there is a video for it. So if you want to make these, they make a great gift. Like if you're bringing wine to somebody's house, you can put it in this, or if you just want to give them one of these. I gave these as gifts to a few friends and they really enjoyed them. And they're really quick. Like you could make 3, 4 in a day, no problem at all. And they don't take very much yarn. So I will put the video for this in the description box below if anybody would like to make those. A few of my testers are making them for Valentine's gifts. And it doesn't have to be wine. I don't drink wine, but you know, I used it for like I mean, you could use it for an alcohol bottle, or like I used a blueberry juice bottle in my photos because that's what I had on hand. So it doesn't have to be wine. Um, let's see. Other than that, I think that's about it, but feel free to take a look through any of my videos. You know, maybe there's something that will pop up for you that you're interested in making. And like I said, I do have more coming. Oh, the other thing I wanted to talk about was I got a notification a few days ago from YouTube saying that I had reached 10,000 followers or subscribers, I'm sorry, on my channel. And I just want to say thank you so much for anybody that's here, that's watching, that's subscribed, that's left comments or liked my videos or watched them. I mean, I just wanted to help people learn how to crochet, and I kind of learned on YouTube once I really got going. And so I wanted to give back, and I'm so grateful. I mean, you know, I'm not like, I don't really care, like, oh, I have this many followers or something like that, but to know that that many people have subscribed to my channel and find what I'm doing useful is I mean, it just felt really good to see that. And I get so many sweet comments about how the patterns help them, and you know who they made it for and stuff, which I love hearing about. So thank you so much. That really means a lot to me. And I think I don't have extra yarn right now that I'm ready to get rid of, but I think I might order a little bit and maybe do like a 10,000 subscriber giveaway because I do want to give back. I really appreciate you guys being here. So look for that maybe in the next few weeks too. I'll have to see what my finances look like and how much I can afford to buy some new yarn to give away. But thank you so much for being here. And I hope that you will subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and keep taking a look at whatever I have on my channel. And there's a lot more to come. So thank you guys for being here. I hope you all have a great day and are taking good care of yourself, and that you have some sunshine in your life. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.